You can explain what I'm doing, Pete.
Natasha is diving to find her camera. She lost it today in the water. And now she's trying to find it. And she bought these new glasses to make it easier to see anything at all under the water. And I have tried, and I know it's not easy anyway, so I doubt she'll find anything. But it's worth a try anyway. Jag stoppar nu, Nat.
Ja.
Jag måste nog stoppa nu, det blir väldigt långt.
Tack.